You might be forgiven for thinking that this is fake news. I mean, Rolex doing something crazy is pretty off the cards, isn't it? So the mantra at Rolex is revolution, not evolution. When we think of Rolex, we think of icons, classic style, a slowly iterating catalogue of the tried and true. But I've got news for you. This watch is not a spoof. It's not some kind of April Fool's joke. It's 100% real. And with it, Rolex have not just broken their own stereotype, they've annihilated it. Now, the bulk of the Rolex catalogue remains true to form, bubble OP and open case backs notwithstanding. But this piece signals a pivot in Rolex brand definition that maybe reflects on their appreciation for a changing demographic. A younger market, perhaps? And let's not forget that there was a change in CEO 6 years ago that might have something to do with it too. But Rolex here have made a playful and whimsical watch that breaks the rules. Now it's a day date. It looks like a day date, but there's no day and there's no date. In the day aperture, there's affirmation words for living a good life, such as love, hope, gratitude, faith. In the date aperture, there's fun emojis like cherries, love hearts and kisses. The hour markers are similarly fun, multicoloured sapphire battens. The dial is a multicoloured puzzle built up on a turquoise backdrop. The puzzle is carved out of gold, and the Grand Fou enamelling process involves layering of colour and firing in a painstaking and time-consuming process. Now, Rolex have assured me that this is not a limited edition, but I'm sure the painstaking nature of creating this dial means that production will be limited. Now, of course, it maintains the day-date iconography, the dial apertures, the case, the fluted bezel, the president bracelet, and of course only made in precious metals, white, yellow and rose gold. So this is no joke. Rolex have stepped out of their comfort zone and are perhaps seeking to lighten up their image. This piece inspires a degree of playfulness and creativity that we've not seen before for Rolex. And Rolex tells me that each piece of the puzzle could be a piece of your life that you arrange in a way that best defines you. With each emoji and affirmation, it challenges you to not only laugh, but to live your best life. You may be puzzled by this, but when you see A$AP Rocky and Rihanna wearing this in 2 weeks' time, that jigsaw may just start to come together.